Now the asset accounting configuration is over. Now we can go for asset master creation. To create asset master, we need to use the transaction code /AS01 /AS01, enter. So here we need to select our asset class, change our company code FI00 and continue. FI10 assembly machine is our asset class and ensure our company code, number of similar assets 1, then enter. So we are getting the error, information about last completed fiscal year is incomplete. We need to solve this error. Step number 1, we need to create the reconciliation GL account for our company code FI00. So go to /NFS00 to create reconciliation GL account. Create, enter the GL account 4,99,999. Enter our company code FI00. So why I am using the GL account 4,99,999? In retained earnings account, we are giving this number. So we need to create the same GL account. Select balance sheet account, asset, expense. Here description, enter the description, short text, long text, return earnings account, and go to control data, account currency INR, then short key 011 001, posting date. Go to create bank interest, select our field status group and then save the data. Now the returned earnings account created. Step number 1. Step number 2, define calendar assignment. To solve this error, define calendar assignment /NSPRO, enter. SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, then asset accounting, then depreciation. Select valuation methods. Here we need to select period control. Here we need to select define calendar assignment, execute. New entry, enter the fiscal year variant for our company code. So I am going to select my fiscal year variant FF and period control key 02 and year 2024, month 02, day 29, period 11. The period 11 is nothing but financial month. As per Indian financial year, the February is 11th month. Enter and save the data. Now we can go to create asset master data /AS01. Enter our asset class, company code, then enter. So we are getting the same error, information about last completed fiscal year is incomplete. So go to help. Here select make settings for company code, define settings for company code, execute. Display settings for company code in asset accounting. So here we need to double click on 0L leading ledger. Under the company code FI00 ABC Steel Limited, and then change. Here highest fiscal year we need to enter 2023. Enter highest fiscal year, then enter the closed fiscal year 2022. Select entry, Book depreciation, select depreciation as per Income Tax Act 1961. Then save the data. Just a warning message, continue. Go to back. We can create the asset slash and AS01, enter asset class, company code FI00, enter. Now the error has been solved. So here we need to enter the description. For example, I am going to enter motor assembly machine. Enter the description, motor assembly machine, and select time dependent. So before that, under the general data, we need to select capitalization on. So the capitalization on is nothing but asset purchase date. So I am going to enter January 1, previous date. So I am going to enter the capitalization date and then select time dependent. Here we need to select the business area which we created in enterprise structure. Business area Chennai and Bangalore. I am going to select our FIB1 and we can select our cost center. So as of now the controlling configuration not completed. So we cannot enter the cost center now. So now go to select depreciation areas and select depreciation start date. So the depreciation calculation always based on the financial year start date 01/04/2023. Our financial year start with April 1, end with next year March 31st. So I am entering depreciation start date April 1, 2023. Enter. So we are getting the warning message. Different ordinary depreciation start date in depreciation area 01. Check. Enter. Save the data. Now the asset 1 0 is created. The asset number 1 is main asset, 0 is sub asset. So as of now we don't have any sub asset, we have only main asset. Thank you. Under the asset accounting, the next step, asset acquisition, or in other words asset purchase. So the acquisition, purchase, same meaning. We can use the transaction code to purchase or acquisition the asset /n F-90, enter. So here we need to select the document date and type KR, document type KR means vendor invoice, and the posting period 11 as per Indian financial year, February month is 11th posting period. Enter our company code FI00 and currency INR. Scroll down. The first line item posting key 31. So what is meant by posting key 31? Invoice. Enter company code, continue. So here we selected our vendor. Then enter. No amount tolerance range entered for company code FI0. So we need to change the tolerance group for my SAP user ID. For that /n SPRO, enter. SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, open item clearing, clearing differences, assign users to tolerance group. Here my SAP user ID best, I am going to enter FI11, my tolerance group for employee. Save the data. So now we can continue. The next error in company code FI00, the number range 19 is missing for the year 2023. To clear this error, /n FBN1, enter our company code FI00 and select change interval. Here we need to select insert line, number range 19, year 2023, and from number, so already we used until 400. I'm going to select 401 to number 500, enter and save the data. Continue. Now enter the amount, item number 1, invoice. For example, I'm going to enter 2000 INR and enter the text, asset purchase. So for example, here I'm going to enter 10,000 INR, and the next line item, posting key, we need to select. So here we need to select the posting key 70, debit of asset. So here we need to select our asset number. Continue. Select our motor assembly machine which we created. Then the transaction type, we need to select 100 external asset acquisition, which means we are going to purchase the asset from external vendor. Then enter. No amount authorization for customer/vendors in company code FI0. Already we cleared this error, number range error. So we are working in parallel screen. Sometimes it will not reflect the error data. So we can go to /n F-90, enter all the details once again, and we can check it. Posting key 31, vendor account, enter the amount 10,000, text, asset purchase, select posting key 70, debit asset, and select our asset number, motor assembly machine. Select transaction type 100, external asset acquisition, and then enter. So now the error cleared. Item 2, debit asset, external asset acquisition, we need to enter the amount 10,000. Now we are going to simulate document, simulate. The GL account 100200 is relevant for tax. Please check the tax code. Enter. Now see here, net balance is 0. We can save the document. Document 401 posted in company code FI00. Thank you. The next topic in asset accounting, view the book value of asset. For this we need to go for SAP EC axis. Here select accounting, financial accounting, fixed asset, information system, reports on asset accounting, individual asset. Here we need to select asset explorer, or we can use directly T code AW01N. Double click. So see here, this is our company code. We need to enter our company code, we need to enter our asset number, and then fiscal year 2023. So we already purchased the motor assembly machine. Acquisition value 10,000, which means the purchasing value 10,000, ordinary depreciation 500. So how we are getting this ordinary depreciation 500? In our configuration we are mentioning that 5% depreciation year on year. So the asset value date and then select posted values. So here we can see the acquisition value 10,000 rupees and select comparisons. So year 2023 the asset value 10,000, then for the year 2023 500 rupees, which means the 5% depreciation. End of the year 2023 asset value 9,500 and end of the year 2024 our asset value 9,000. End of the year 2025 asset value 8,500. So the every year ordinary depreciation system will reduce the 500 INR. So this is called straight line method. Standard value we are going to reduce based on the asset value 10,000 rupees, the 5%. Thank you. So under the asset accounting, next topic asset sale or asset retirement. We can use the transaction code /N F-92 enter asset retirement or asset sale and select document date. Document type DR. DR means customer invoice. We are going to sell the asset and period posting period 11 as per Indian financial year. February month is 11th posting period. Company code FI00, currency INR. Scroll down. Here posting key under the first line item posting key 01. 01 means invoice. Then select our account. Continue. So this is our customer account number and then enter. Here we need to enter the asset value. For example, I am going to enter 8,500. Then enter our text asset sale or we can enter asset retirement. Then select next line item posting key 50. We need to select the posting key 50 credit entry and we need to select the account. Execute. Here we need to select the asset sale, sale of asset GL account. Enter. So we are getting the error specify payment period baseline date. So here we need to enter the baseline date. Enter. Here credit entry we need to enter the amount 8,500 for our asset sale. Then text asset sale. Here we need to select asset retirement option, very important. Select our asset retirement option. Then enter in our keyboard. System go to new pop-up window, create asset retirement. Here we need to select the particular asset we need to retire. So here we need to select our company code FI00. Enter. We have two assets which we created. I am going to select motor assembly machine. We are going to return and asset value date, current date. Then select complete retirement. Continue. Go to header document, simulate. Net balance 0. We can save the document. Save the document 203 was posted in company code FI00. Thank you. So the next topic, view the book value of asset. We can go navigation under the SAP EC access screen, accounting, financial accounting, fixed asset, information system, reports on asset accounting. Under the individual asset, asset explorer, or we can use the transaction code /N AW01N. Enter. So here we can see the details. Company code FI00, asset 1, fiscal year 2023. So the asset sale value 8500, ordinary depreciation 446 rupees. We need to view the entire details. So double click on this second line item. So we can view the entire document details. Document number 204. So the first one is asset purchase 10,000 rupees. Second one is depreciation 446 and sale of asset 8500. Loss on sale of asset 1053 rupees. So this is about the entire detailed document overview. Now we covered end-to-end syllabus for our asset accounting chapter. So first we need to complete the configuration as the consultant. This is one time activity. Second step, we are going to create the asset master. Third step, we are going to purchase or acquisition of asset. Fourth step, over the period with the depreciation value, we are going to retire the asset or sell the asset. So the entire end-to-end asset accounting chapter is completed now. Thank you.